Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. At ngayon, nandito tayo sa Mabini, Batangas.
Hi guys! In today's video, isi-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga natutunan ko sa freediving lessons ko recently. So don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're new here. And let's get started!
Hey everyone! How's everything going?
We left Manila like 3:30 in the morning. We were gonna head to the coastal town of Mabini, Batangas. And it's 3 hours away from Manila. You can get there through buses and taxis, but I've opted to join in an organized tour so it's less hassle for me. Mabini, Batangas is known for its diving and snorkeling sites, and it is also commonly regarded as the birthplace of scuba diving in the Philippines. So the town was named after Apolinario Mabini, a revolutionary hero of the Philippines. So we just arrived and it's already like around 6:30 in the morning. Recently, freediving has been famous and marami ditong nag-o-offer ng freediving lessons dito sa Mabini, Batangas. So ayan, naglalakad kami guys papunta dun sa crib namin kung saan kami tutuloy. So guys, nakarating na kami dito sa freediver's crib. So dyan kami mag-i-stay. Good morning guys! So ayan guys, mumuni-muni lang tayo dito sa may tabing dagat. Kasi yung crib namin guys, few steps lang.
Ayan, nasa beach na naman tayo. Okay, it's our first day for free diving tutorial. So, mag-aaral ako guys mag-free dive. Gusto kong i-explore yung water activities since marunong na akong lumangoy, but not in a professional way. But I want to explore more of.
So guys, habang hinihintay nating magsimula yung lesson 1, I will just give you brief insights of what is freediving or skin diving is all about. Freediving is when someone practices various breath-holding techniques when diving into the water, usually wearing only snorkeling gear. So maganda siyang underwater recreational sport. So, pakinggan natin guys kung ano yung mga advices from our coaches.
Nating pwersahin kagad yung sarili natin na na makuha kagad yung technique na yun kasi baka lalong lang tayo madisgrasya o sakali.
My expectation is just listen to us, trust us, and let's just enjoy this freediving because our ocean is so beautiful, so down there.
So in freediving, relaxation is the key. So kung mas relax ka, mas matagal yung pag-hold ng breath mo underwater. So natapos na yung lesson 1 namin. Tapos it's time now para i-practice na namin kung ano man yung mga natutunan namin at diniscuss namin sa lesson 1. So ayan, nagre-ready na kami guys. Naglalagay na kami ng sunblock. So dyan lang naman guys, malapit lang kung saan kami mag-free dive. So yan yung shared kubo namin guys. So 300 lang yung bayad for overnight.
Yan dyan. Sasakay nga tayo ng bangka. Ay, hindi. Okay.
So start na ng actual practice.
Talaga, nakasubmit ka sa dagat, ramdamin mo yung dagat, just lie down, good, magawa. Careful, nice, sige, masiga pa, good, nice.
So yung number 1 rule ng freedive is to never dive alone. So dapat meron kang kabady. So every time you dive, magpapaalam ka sa kabady mo. Meron siyang mga hand signals, tapos sasabihin mo sa kanya, you watch me go down. Tapos pag nag-okay siya guys, so yun na, pwede ka nang mag-dive. So pag nag-okay siya guys, ibig sabihin yan guys, responsibility ka ng body mo. The same din sa'yo guys, kung siya naman magpapaalam sa'yo, so responsibility mo siya na i-save if ever merong mga accident na mangyayari. guys, yung ginawa ko is down the line. So, yung lesson 1 kasi guys, it's all about intro to free dive, tapos survival at the sea. So, ngayon naman, ipapractice ko yung duck dive, which is the most efficient way to dive down ng mas malalim without using weights or ropes. Kasi lalo na pag nasa dagat ka guys, napaka-buoyant mo, napaka-gaan mo guys. Lalo na yung fins guys, magaan siya, para siyang salbabida. Nakakatulong siya sa paglutang. So, kailangan mong gagawin ng tama yung duck dive para pumailalim ka. So, ayun guys, hindi ako marunong mag-finning. So, yun yung parang i-workout ko talaga. So, sa down the line kasi, tinuturuan kami kung paano pumailalim ng first time na merong alalay, which is yung tali, yung rope. Tapos, tinuturuan din kami guys mag-equalize.
Right now, the time is 1:21 and then we just finished our lunch. And I took a nap already, like 15 minutes, and then so yeah, we will just be resting for quite a while. From now, probably 30 minutes from now, we will gonna start again with our free diving lesson. So ayan yung free diving spot guys, yung nandyan, yung merong mga may parang mga gulong, anong tawag nila dyan. So, ayan guys, ang ganda ng tubig nila dito guys kasi malinis siya, malinaw, masaya yung experience, mga professionals yung mga nagtuturo, mababait sila, so mababait yung mga tao dito. So, we're like, we came here as like one, you know, it's like free diving, it's like binding us together. So, ayan guys, hinihintay ko lang yung mga kasama ko guys, magising sila. Kasi hindi na ako inaantok. May nap kasi kami, may rest kami after lunch time. So, hindi na ako inaantok. So, I was thinking of doing this vlog. So, we're just gonna show you that beach right now. Ako may aso guys, tinatahulan tayo. OMG. Balik na tayo dito sa tignan natin kung ready na sila.
So, after ng nap namin guys, hindi na kami ulit bumalik sa dagat para mag-practice kasi tinuloy na namin yung lesson 2 namin guys, which is rescue and self-help. So, tinuloy-tuloy na namin yung theory, yung lessons. Para bukas guys, maghapon, nasa dagat na kami. Tapos na yung lessons.
And so, ayun guys, it's already 4:24. Ayun, natapos na yung lesson 2 namin. Hindi na kami tumuloy nung namin second practice ng may isa. Yan, yung duck dive. Kasi tinuloy na namin yung lesson 2, which is rescue and self-help. So, ayun guys, low tide ngayon. Maalon. Ayan guys, pa-sunset na dito sa Mabini, Batangas. So, it's already 5:50 p.m. and the sun is setting. Grabe, ang ganda ng sunset.
So, ang swerte namin guys kasi itong Saturday, napakaganda ng weather, kaya ang ganda ng sunset.
So, ended up the day with a very beautiful sunset.
So, ini-enjoy lang namin guys yung sunset. Tapos mamaya-maya, kakain na kami ng dinner.
Here's our beautiful organizer. Vlog. And these are my new friends. Vlog. Ha? Charot. My new friends. Spent a very nice Saturday.
moments later.
So, dinner time na guys. So, yung food namin is imbutido, kanin, tapos merong papakwan, tapos meron ding soup guys, which is miswa.
Wala nang soup. Wala na daw. Oo. Naunahan tayo. Ang dami nilang rice, oh. May soup pa? May soup pa. Dinner time na, guys.
So, yung food guys, kasama na sa binayaran ko. So, 350 from Saturday lunch, tapos dinner, tapos Sunday agahan, then lunch, tapos yun guys, worth 350 siya. Good morning guys! It's Sunday morning, tapos early bird tayo guys, kasi gising na ako. Sila tulog pa. So, siguro natulog kami kagabi mga 9 PM. Tapos, okay naman yung tulog ko guys, kahit medyo maalinsangan siya. So, kumakain ako ng saging. Pangalawang saging ko na to. May baon kasi ako guys. Siguro mga 5 pieces of bananas. Kasi maganda siya sa crumbs, leg crumbs. Kahapon kasi nagkaroon ako ng leg crumbs.
A few moments later.
So, after namin magpahinga guys, saglit, after our breakfast, light breakfast lang, ayun, nagre-ready na kami.
Day 2.
Ayun, hugasan yung mask. Nilagyan namin ng solution. Maya-maya. Putting the mask. Making it fit on my face. Fitting on my pins. So, ayun, palangoy na tayo guys, papunta dun sa buwi natin or yung gulong kung saan may nakataling rope. So, pinapractice ko yung down the line guys, tsaka yung pag-equalize ng tenga. So, yun yung para maiwasan na sumakit kaagad yung tenga nyo. Pagka ganun kasi, mas matagal kayo sa under the water kung marunong kayo mag-equalize. So, ayun, practice lang talaga before mo makuha yung tamang position or yung mga technique guys. Kahit medyo kinakabahan ako. Kasi nga, hindi ako sanay ng may fins lumangoy. Tsaka hindi kasi ako sanay sa dagat guys. Mas sanay ako sa ilog. So, medyo kabado ako pag nasa dagat. Kasi, yun nga, hindi ako sanay. So, nakakatuwa guys mag-free dive kasi actually, hindi mo kailangan maging swimmer para matuto kang mag-free dive. Kasi actually, yung mga coaches namin, some of them are non-swimmers. So, very possible guys, dun sa mga gustong matuto tapos hindi marunong lumangoy. So, nakakabilib pa guys kasi mas magaling pa sila kaysa sa akin kung tutuusin. Which is, ako marunong lumangoy. So, pag hindi ako kabado, mas nakakalalim pa ako ng dive. Tapos, yung feeling ko, yun talaga yung kailangan kong i-improve. It's around 10:30 in the morning.
Mga nagutom. Bakit dati walang signal dito? Talaga. Kailan ba kayo last nag-ano dito?
Unang punta namin
January. So, ito pang ilan na to?
Moments later.
So, it's lunch time. Ito yung food namin. May chicken, tapos ginataan. And then, with this view.
Guys, pabalik na kami ng Maynila for our just reminiscing for the last time the beach here in Mabini, Batangas. Yeah, we'll just get some few shots of the beach. Enjoy the free dive. We're gonna definitely be back here for more fun diving. So the guys.
So, on the road na kami to Manila, pero maghahanap kami ng lumihan para dun kami dinner ng mas maaga.
Ang dinner na.
So, ang laki nga pala guys, it's medium size, special lomi. So, it's 80 pesos. Ayan.
Sarap ng ano nila dito. Tapos mura na siya.
Bali yung nagastos ko sa free diving lesson na to is siguro mga 4,000 lahat-lahat na siya.